Hello friends, let us solve question number 37, model paper 2, physics, Karnataka board. Now look what is given. A spring with a spring constant. Spring constant is given. Okay, spring constant K. K is given. That is 1200 Newton per meter. Is mounted in a horizontal table. Okay, so how it is mounted? Look, I will draw the sketch for this. So there is one table. Okay, this is a table suppose, and this is fixed table. Okay, and one spring is there, which is also fixed on one side. So this spring is like this. Okay, so this spring is like this, and one mass is attached here. One mass is attached here, and this is, and on this some force is applied. So like this situation is there. So this is the mass. Okay, so how to solve? So this is mounted on the horizontal table. One end fixed. The mass 3 kg is attached. This is mass 3 kg. Mass 3 kg is attached. Okay, to the free end of the spring, the mass is then pulled sideways 2 meter. So here this mass is pulled 2 meter on this side by some force. So after this 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter is pulled down this side up to this suppose and released. So it will do some oscillation like this. Correct or not? It will go here from mean position. Again it will go to 2 centimeter. Means here x is given, maximum is amplitude. Okay, so amplitude of this oscillation is given because due to this motion along this surface, this body will oscillate. This body will oscillate like this. Okay, this is the mean position. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So like this, like this, like this, it will oscillate. So amplitude is given x. Okay, right? Understood? No problem. So amplitude is given 2 centimeter, which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So this we can write like this. Then release the oscillation will happen. Then what is the frequency of this oscillation? Number 1, frequency. Number B, maximum acceleration, A max, and number 3 is V max. Okay, so we will not go in much detail in this oscillation. Where is the maximum velocity? So maximum acceleration will be at the extreme position, and maximum velocity will be at the mean position. Okay, that you know. Here we have to calculate only values. So I will give you. So this is given by 1 by t. So finally formula will be 1 upon 2 pi under root k by m, because time period is 2 pi into under root m by k. So frequency will be this formula. So put the values, k is given, m is given. So you can calculate this. A max is equal to omega square a, and W max is omega into a. But what is omega? Omega is equal to what we can calculate? 2 pi, or this omega can be calculated by using frequency also. 2 pi f, 2 pi f. So once you are getting frequency, from this frequency you can calculate omega. Right or not? Or omega also can be given as a, from this, if you put this equation of frequency here, frequency 1 of 2 pi will cancel. Ultimately you will get it will be k by m. What you will get? K by m you will get. Ultimately k by m. Omega is equal to k by m you will get. So you can use this equation. Omega is equal to under root k by m in terms of velocity here. Omega we can put here omega square. So omega square you can put squaring on both sides. You will get only k by m. Okay, k by m. Okay, so k is known, m is known, omega you can calculate, a is given. So these values you can calculate. So let us do the calculation. So frequency is equal to this formula we have to use, 1 by 2 pi under root k 200 divided by k by m. M is 3. So do this calculation, you will get the value of frequency as 3.18. The unit of this will be what? Hertz. Or another unit of the frequency is what? Another unit of the frequency is what? Revolution per second, or here oscillation per second. Oscillations or cycles also. Cycles per second. Cycle per second or revolution per second in rotary motion, that is called frequency, and that is hertz. So frequency we are getting. Then we have this acceleration. So maximum acceleration they are asking. So that is omega square a. So this will be omega square a. Omega square is k by m. So k by m into a. So put the values. K is again 1200 divided by m is again 3. Okay, correct na? 1200 by 3 into a. A is what? A is carefully you write a value. Carefully you write the a value. A value is what? This value 2 into 10 raised to minus meter. In meter we have to write. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. So this is a calculation we have to do. Okay. So by this you are getting value of a max is equal to, you will get 8 meter per second. Okay. Do this calculation. This values you put. Then C is equal to V max. V max is equal to omega A. Omega is equal to what? Omega is equal to under root k by m divided by a. Into a. So under root 1200 divided by m is 3 into a. A is again 2 into 10 raised to what? 10 raised to minus 2. So this we can calculate. So after this calculation, we are getting velocity as a, where I can write here. Here I will write. I don't have place on this side. So that calculation will be 0.4 meter per second. Okay. So frequency is 3.8. Okay. This is a 3.8. First answer. Maximum acceleration is 8 and maximum velocity is 0.4 meter per second. Got the formula? Formula I have written on this side. So in this way you have to solve the problem. Okay. So I have given solution of all 10 numericals. Model paper 1, 5. Model paper 2, 5. Okay. So all these 10 numericals you solve and submit. Okay. Good luck. Bye bye. And in future you tell me which I have to start now, because first year is over. What I have to start on YouTube, that you can suggest. Okay. So happy learning. Goodbye.